Hello, my friends. I'm John Laspina, your Carnivore Teacher Alpha. Today I want to talk about something incredibly important that most people have never even heard of: glutathione. If you were to ask many scientists what the most important antioxidant in the human body is, a lot of them would point to this molecule. Glutathione is often called the master antioxidant. And the fascinating part is this: your body makes it itself. It's not something you necessarily have to get from food or supplements. Your body actually produces glutathione inside cells, your own cells, and it's used constantly to protect you. So let's talk about what glutathione actually is. It's a small molecule made from 3 amino acids: glutamine, cysteine, and glycine. Because it is made from amino acids, your body can build it whenever the raw materials are available. And that's important because glutathione is used everywhere in the human body. Every cell relies on it, especially cells in the liver, which is one of the major detoxification organs in your body. So why is glutathione so important? Because every second of every day, your body is exposed to stress at the cellular level. This can come from normal metabolism, pollution, toxins, ultraviolet light, infections, inflammation. All of these things generate molecules called free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage proteins, DNA, and cell membranes. This type of damage is often called oxidative stress. Glutathione's job is to neutralize those free radicals before they cause harm. It acts like a protective shield inside your body. It donates electrons to stabilize free radicals and prevents them from damaging important structures. In simple terms, glutathione helps keep your cells from rusting. The liver's detox system is important. Glutathione also plays a major role in the liver. The liver processes chemicals and drugs and environmental toxins and metabolic waste. In many cases, these substances are converted into forms that can be safely removed from the body. Glutathione helps attach certain toxins in a process called conjugation, which allows the body to eliminate them through bile or urine. This is one reason why glutathione is often associated with the body's natural detoxification systems. Now we're going to talk glutathione and aging. One interesting thing scientists have observed is that glutathione levels tend to decline with age. Lower glutathione levels have been associated with increased oxidative stress and decreased cellular protection. This is one reason researchers often study glutathione in relation to aging and chronic disease. Cells that maintain healthy glutathione levels tend to handle stress more effectively. Now, let's talk supporting your body's glutathione production. That's what we're here for. Because glutathione is made from amino acids, your body depends on having adequate protein building blocks available. Cysteine is often considered the rate-limiting amino acid in glutathione production. This means that when cysteine levels are low, glutathione production may be limited. This is why dietary protein can play an important role in supporting the body's ability to make glutathione. Certain lifestyle factors may also influence glutathione levels. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, balanced metabolism, and minimizing chronic stress. All of these things help maintain healthy cellular function. So here's the big picture. Glutathione works quietly, behind the scenes, every moment of your life. It protects cells from oxidative stress. It helps the liver process toxins. It supports the immune system. And it helps maintain the delicate balance that keeps your cells functioning properly. It's one of the many remarkable examples of how the human body is designed with powerful built-in systems to protect and maintain itself. Sometimes the most impressive health defenses are the ones most people have never even heard about. And glutathione is certainly one of them. If you found this helpful, click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon. If you leave me a question or a suggestion, I will write you back. Thank you for coming to this. I hope you walked away learning something. I certainly always learn something new almost every day, and I encourage you to do that as well. Have a good day.